In this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest ways to start making money from your blog or website by managing affiliate links the smart way using a tool called Lasso. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and welcome back to my first website. If you're new here, we break down the tools and strategies that help beginners build legit money-making websites without needing a tech degree or a marketing background. Today, we're talking affiliate marketing, but not just slapping random links everywhere. We're going to clean it up, simplify it, and show you how Lasso can help you organize, track, and display your links in a way that actually boosts clicks and income. So if you've ever dealt with messy spreadsheets or broken URLs, this is going to save you a ton of time. Let's get into it. What is Lasso? All right, before we dive into the how-to, let's talk about what Lasso actually does. So Lasso is a WordPress plugin that helps you organize, manage, and display affiliate links on your website. Think of it as a digital control center for your affiliate business. You paste your links in once, and Lasso makes it super easy to reuse them, track them, style them, and even cloak them if needed. It's like turning your WordPress dashboard into a smart affiliate marketing machine. No spreadsheets, no digging through old posts, no wondering where your links are buried. Now let's walk through how to actually use it. Step 1, adding your first affiliate link. All right, so you've got a product that you want to promote, maybe something on Amazon or somewhere else with your affiliate programs. Here's how you add it to Lasso. First, grab your affiliate URL. That's the unique link that tracks your sales. Then head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on the Lasso plugin. In the top right corner, you see a button that says Add New Link. Click it. Now just paste your affiliate URL into the box and hit Add Link. Boom, you just added your first affiliate link to Lasso. Now this takes you to what's called the link details page. Think of this page as your link's home base. Here's where you can customize everything about how your link appears and functions. So if you don't already have Lasso, you can go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started, and just click on this little Get Started button right here. So now that we're over here in WordPress, I've got my Lasso Lite plugin installed, and if you don't already have it installed, you can just come down here to Plugins and click on Add Plugin and look for the Lasso Lite plugin. You can also do it from your Lasso login here, where you can just go ahead and download it from the website and then upload it in the same spot in your WordPress dashboard. So since I have it here on the left-hand side, let's go ahead and click on it, and the first thing that we're going to do is come up here and click on Add New Link, and this is where you go ahead and paste that link in. So you go over to your Amazon associates and grab your affiliate link or somewhere else that you have an affiliate program. So I'm gonna go ahead and paste that in right here and click on Add Link. Okay, so now that we have this link in here, now we need to customize it. So we need to give it a name, and I just picked an Anchor USB-C hub. I'll go ahead and paste that name right there. I've got the image that I want to showcase that I got from Amazon that I'll just drop in. Go ahead and click on Upload Image, and I'll go ahead and select that image. And now we can go ahead and customize some things. So for instance, there's a description right here. So maybe I'll come over to Amazon right here and copy and paste that description in there. And as we can see, that went ahead and updated that. So maybe I'll just go ahead and put that first bullet point in there. I think that should be more than enough for this. And there we go. Now we can sort of preview what this link is going to look like. Now for this badge text, we can go ahead and put something in there like staff pick or something like that. And that's going to create this little badge up here in the top left. Now the price is updated by the Amazon API, which I don't have set up, which is why that is not showing right now. So from here, I'll just go ahead and click on Save Changes. And there we go. Our link has been saved just like that. Step 2, customizing your link in the details page. So now that your link is in, let's make it actually useful. The name. This is just for you. Give it a title that you'll recognize later. Then there's a primary URL. This is your main affiliate link. Then there's a secondary URL, which is optional. And if you want to offer a second button, maybe one goes to a review and one goes to the actual product. But that's only on the paid plan. Next is image. You can pull in a product image from your media library or add a URL. This shows up in your display boxes. Price and description. So you can add things like free 14-day trial or just list the price. It's totally up to you. It gives your link more context and helps it stand out. Disclosure. Lasso includes a default disclosure, but you can customize it if you need to be extra clear. Display settings. You can choose whether or not to show the price, description, or even the disclosure on the front end. You've got full control. Now, once you're happy with everything, hit Save Changes in the bottom right. Now, this is where the real magic happens. Step 3, displaying affiliate links in posts. All right, let's say you're writing a blog post and you want to add your affiliate link to the post. There's a few ways to do it. Using the Gutenberg editor. So if you're using the Gutenberg editor, click the Add Block button and you can search for Lasso and then click it and then choose your display type. You'll see options like single display, a nice all-in-one box with an image, description, and a call to action. Button is a clean clickable button. Image, a linked image, which is super eye-catching. Pick the one that you want and select your affiliate link. And that's it. Lasso will insert the shortcode right there. Click update on your post, and when you preview your page, you'll see the affiliate box live. Now, if you're a little bit old school using the classic editor, it's the same process. Just click the cactus icon in the toolbar, choose your display type, select your link, and hit add. Lasso handles the shortcode for you. All you have to do is write the content. So I'm gonna go ahead and copy this shortcode, and we'll come over here to posts, and we'll go ahead and click on add post up here in the top left, and we'll go ahead and call this Anchor USEC review. And then you would go ahead and write out your article, whatever goes there. And then here we can go ahead and go to blocks, and now we'll go ahead and just paste in that shortcode. And now we'll go ahead and really quick, we'll just go ahead and click publish and hit publish again. Now we'll go to view post and open that up, and there we go. This is what the post looks like. So we can see how clean this looks, and when we go ahead and click on that, it's going to take us over to Amazon. Step 4, using text links the easy way. Now, what if you just want to add a simple text link? All you need to do is highlight the text that you want to link, like check out this tool, and then click the usual link icon in WordPress. Now, instead of pasting a long affiliate URL, you can just type in the name of your Lasso link, like Anchor USB-C hub, and select it when it pops up. You'll notice that Lasso tags it with Lasso in the search results. It's the same process as any other hyperlink, just cleaner and easier to manage later on. Step 5, turn words into links automatically. So here's where Lasso really flexes. Let's say you've written 100 blog posts and you've mentioned the word hosting a dozen times, but you've never linked it to an affiliate link that you'd like to connect it to. Rather than going post by post, Lasso lets you add something called a saved keyword. You just go into the link details, scroll to the keyword section, and type in web hosting or WP Engine or whatever your keyword is. Then hit save, and Lasso will scan your entire site for that phrase. You'll see all the opportunities, places where you've missed that phrase but haven't linked it yet. Then just click monetize, choose the correct affiliate link, and boom. Lasso turns every one of those mentions into an affiliate link automatically. This is perfect for both brand keywording and concept keywording. Step 6, organize with groups and grids. So if you've got multiple links in the same category, like a list of your favorite software tools, you can group them together inside Lasso. Just create a group called favorite tools, then add any links you want to that group. Now you can drop a grid into a blog post or a resources page, and Lasso will automatically display all those links in a clean, well-designed layout. Great for comparison tables, gift guides, or even just a list of stuff that you recommend. Step 7, tracking what works and what doesn't. Once you've got links in place, you want to see what's actually performing. Lasso helps with that too. You can see which links get the most clicks, find broken links or missing images, get alerts when something goes wrong, and connect Lasso to Google Analytics to track links as events. All of this helps you double down on what's working and clean up what isn't. No more guessing, just data. So if you want to get started with Lasso, we'll have a link for you down in the description where you can go ahead and get started. They do have a free plan as well as 2 different paid plans. The essential plan starts at $16 per month, and the pro plan starts at $24 per month and gives you the best value. Now, both of those are annual pricing, so just keep that in mind. But if you want to look at the monthly pricing, the essentials plan is $29 per month and the pro plan is $39 per month. So that's how you use Lasso to add affiliate links to your website and actually make them work for you. It's clean, it's fast, and it saves you a ton of time and headaches. So whether you're just getting started or you're already running a content site, Lasso is one of those tools that pays for itself quickly. No more broken links, no more spreadsheets, just simple, organized affiliate links that help you make your site more money. So if you want to get started with Lasso, we'll have a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we make videos on how to create websites, explore different website builders, discuss domain names, and so much more, so be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.